Travelling north, we enter Thailand's giant neighbour, China. Farmer Li Bingchen in Hebei province grows strawberries, grapes and other crops. But one factor sets Farmer Li apart from many others. He has been participating in trials to identify alternatives to methyl bromide, an ODS widely used to control pests in agriculture.
那个您种草莓种多少年了？
种了10年了。
哦，那您是从什么时候开始用这个甲基溴的？
从97年。
用的效果怎么样呢？
效果很好，这造价也不算高，方便。
这个甲基溴它主要针对的是治什么害虫呢？还是？
它这是主要是草莓消毒，它不治害虫。它这是对这草莓呗，不死苗，消毒消得好。再一来，它这个成本也低，产量高。
Farmers use this chemical to sterilise the soil when cultivating tobacco, strawberries, medicinal herbs, and vegetables like tomatoes and melons. China has been producing and using methyl bromide for over half a century. Besides soil fumigation, it is also used to control pests that attack crops or infest households, buildings and vehicles.
它的优点应该有好几点的。首先，它这个是常温下它是一种气体，这种气体以后啊，它的穿透性很强，它可以穿透到土壤中间，把土壤中的一些害虫、病原菌、线虫，还有杂草，还有一些那个啮齿动物这些东西都可以给它消灭掉的。所以它用了以后呢，是不是农民都感觉到了种出来的东西是不是长得非常好？
But on an atom-per-atom basis, methyl bromide does more damage to the ozone layer than CFCs. So, despite its advantages, methyl bromide has to go. As the world's largest producer and consumer of ODS, China is determined to phase out all these chemicals on schedule. It has a country-wide strategy for this purpose. But turning around a large economy takes time and effort. The Institute for Plant Protection of the Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences is trying out alternatives for methyl bromide. Since methyl bromide is used against many different pests, there is no single substitute. The idea is to look for what works best for different crops under various soil weather and water conditions. A project supported by the Multilateral Fund was implemented by UNIDO, the UN Industrial Development Organization. The participating farmers had shown much interest.
所以农民呢也在问是不是啊？他说有没有什么更便宜的药啊？是不是啊？他说甲基溴甲烷呐，他们知道毒性一定高，是不是啊？还破坏臭氧层，但是他也找不出什么更好的方法来替代它，所以农民还是很关注的。
This demonstration project tested environmentally acceptable and affordable ways to fumigate the soil. During the trial, Farmer Li used two alternatives, known as MS and Zianca.
替代品效果也不错，它就是麻烦，它得用电，它时间长，因为这个老百姓呗，他用不了，没电用不了。咱们这个甲基溴呗，时间短。 最多1个礼拜，咱们闲着可以跑地里。
But he is quite clear on one thing.
它有破坏作用哦，这有毒，这个对人也不好，咱们得避免着点呗，是吧？
Since up to a quarter of all food produced in Asia is lost before it is consumed, controlling pests is very important for food security across the region. Meanwhile, in Beijing, the government is taking steps to phase out methyl bromide and encourage substitutes. The Chinese State Environmental Protection Agency is committed to phasing out all ozone-depleting chemicals within internationally agreed timeframes. But the real challenge for China, and other countries using methyl bromide, is how to win over large numbers of farmers like Li Bingchen.